Welcome to your Mushroom Cultivation Masterclass. The first secret to consistent success is fanatical sterility. Contamination is your biggest enemy. Secret number 2, choosing and preparing the right substrate. It's the food your mycelium needs to thrive, so selecting the perfect nutrient blend for your species is critical. Secret 3 is patience during colonization. Your mycelium needs consistent temperature and undisturbed darkness to fully colonize its substrate before it's ready for the next stage. Once colonized, Secret 4 is initiating proper fruiting conditions. This means introducing fresh air exchange, appropriate light cycles, and a humidity drop to trigger pinning. Secret 5, harvesting at peak maturity. Knowing when to harvest ensures maximum yield and potency. Look for caps that have fully opened but haven't started to drop spores. Secret number 6 is rehydrating your substrate for subsequent flushes. After harvesting, your block is exhausted. A good soak can bring it back to life for more mushrooms. Implement these 7 secrets and elevate your cultivation results immediately at 2020mushrooms.com.